Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Galaxy S25 Ultra to say definitively when the new phone will arrive. Outside of an early 2025 release window, your guess is as good as ours. That said, in recent years, Samsung has been gradually moved up the release date for the Galaxy S series, which used to arrive in the February or March time frame. This year's Galaxy S24 release was the earliest ever, with the Galaxy Unpacked event taking place on January 17th. And the S24 models shipping 2 weeks later on January 31st. There are some certain features we expected to see on the upcoming top flagship. Having just switched to titanium for the frame of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we don't imagine Samsung would make a change for the S25 version. Likewise, Samsung has used the same basic design for recent Ultras, with the cameras stacked in vertical rows on the back of the phone and the lenses emerging slightly from the rear. We don't think that's going to change either. But leaked CAD renders that are sure to start arriving in the coming months will tell the tale. A Galaxy S25 rumor tips the display on Samsung's entry-level model to increase in size, hitting 6.36 inches compared to 6.2 inches for the Galaxy S24. A similar rumor claims that the Galaxy S25 Ultra screen will approach 6.9 inches, a marginal increase over the 6.8-inch display on the S24 Ultra, but we're not sure how much stock to put into that claim. Cameras form the centerpiece feature of the Ultra model, as that's the phone Samsung favors with a 200MP main sensor along with a 100MP space zoom feature. We'd expect some sort of upgrade to that setup next year, and early Galaxy S25 Ultra camera rumors suggest we may be on to something. Specifically, a leaker claims that the wide-angle lens on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will get an unspecified upgrade while the ultra-wide lens will jump from a 12MP sensor on the S24 Ultra to a 50MP one on the new phone. On the software side, by the time the Galaxy S25 Ultra airs, Android 15 will already be out, as we're currently at the second developer preview for that software release. We'd imagine the Galaxy S25 phones will get the same 7 years of software support that the Galaxy S24 receives. Another expectation of ours, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will add more Galaxy AI features similar to the ones that debuted with the S24 lineup. There's no word on what those features will be or whether some will be earmarked as exclusives for the higher-end Ultra. With the Galaxy S24, the same Galaxy AI features were supported by all three models, so the entry-level S24 can pull off the same tasks as the premium Ultra. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.